Check it out, guys. This is the Tina 2. This is a mini 3D printer. It's pretty darn cool. And this is the Kokoni EC2. I just want to point out on the Kokoni, like the bed size is very similar as the Tina. You can see how small the bed is. It's very similar. But look how much more compact the EC2 is. And it's fully enclosed, whereas the Tina is not. But the Tina uses an actual spool of filament that mounts right there on the side. And a fairly typical looking extruder and Bowden setup. There's the hot end right there. It doesn't use a CR Touch, it uses this capacitive touch thing. And instead of silicone, it uses this wrap, which we've seen before in older hot ends. I'd rather use the silicone boot. It's also open in the back, but the Kokoni uses this proprietary filament, which is kind of the downfall of the Kokoni. It's expensive. It uses this proprietary right there. Whereas the Tina just uses regular filament that mounts right there. And of course you can 3D print a spool holder to put like whatever spool you want, because that looks kind of small. I don't know what's supposed to fit there. I guess maybe a 500-gram spool. Anyway, I just thought this was neat and I wanted to show it to you guys. I'm kind of excited to try it. Also, the Tina 2 has a screen. I haven't taken off the protective covering yet, and it's got a touch knob, which is really awesome, and a little memory card right there, a USB, and micro SD, whereas the Kokoni prints exclusively from the Kokoni app. So they both have their pluses and minuses. You can see the hot end here. It's got a giant cooling fan on it. And I don't know. I'm curious to check them out and give it a try. Cura actually has a profile for the Tina 2, which is really awesome. This is not the Tina 2S. The Tina 2S does support Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and this one I have to print with a card, which I don't mind at all. But I'm going to try it soon because they're so cute. I can't stand it. Let me know if you guys have either one or find them interesting in any way. This has a really neat app. This one lets you use Cura. So I guess the Tina 2 kind of takes the cake here. But very impressive to see how small the Kokoni is, actually now being able to compare it to something such as the Tina 2. But again, they're both super small and compact. And a lot of fun. Can't wait.